Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Download the PowerPoint app from the App Store or Google Play, typically under 200 MB. Install and open the app, then grant permissions for files and media access. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access OneDrive, SharePoint, and synced files. Tap Open to browse cloud locations and phone storage in OneView. Locate the presentation by name or recent date shown in the list. Select the file to load slides and assets into the editor for quick edits. Tap a slide to enter edit mode, then tap text boxes to type or paste content. Use the on-screen keyboard or a connected Bluetooth keyboard for faster typing. Use pinch gestures to zoom and drag slides to reorder them in the left thumbnail pane. Long press a slide to duplicate, delete, or hide it from the presentation flow. Insert images, shapes, icons, and speaker notes using the plus menu and the formatting toolbar. Adjust fonts, sizes, and alignment with the style options available in the ribbon. Autosave syncs changes to OneDrive, or you save to keep a local copy on the phone. Confirm upload progress and connection status before closing the app to prevent data loss. Use present mode to practice slides or cast to a TV using casting or AirPlay options. Export the file to PDF, PPTX, or video directly from the Share menu for easy distribution. Compress images and remove unused media to reduce file size under 20 MB for faster sharing. Share via
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.